Hello, everybody, and welcome back to Algebra with Mr. Chavez. So, as you know, we're going to do systems of equation. We have two systems of equations. One is y equals negative 2x plus 5. The second one is y equals 3x. Remember, the question we ask ourselves is one of the variables isolated in any of these equations? As we see, both of these equations are equal to y. So what that means is we could set them equal to each other. So what we're going to do is substitute the 3x in for y on the first equation. So we have 3x equals negative 2x plus 5. Now that we did this, remember we want to separate our left and our right side. So I'm going to draw my line. First question I ask myself, can I simplify the left or the right side? I can't do nothing on my left side. I can't do nothing on my right side. Question number 2, are all my like variables together? Well, they're not. We have an x over here and an x over here. So we have to figure out a way to combine them. So we have 3x and negative 2x. I would recommend always start with the lowest value. In this case, it's going to be negative 2x. So what I'm going to do is add 2x because I want to move all this to my left side. So if I add 2x over here, I'm going to have to add 2x over here. 3x plus 2x gives me 5x equals negative 2x plus 2x gives me 0 pair, and I'm going to drop my positive 5. So now all my like variables are together. Next thing, how do I get the variable by itself? Well, I have 5x, and I know when two things are next to each other, it means multiplication. So what I'm going to do is the inverse operation, which is division. I'm going to divide both sides, and we're always going to divide by the coefficient. So the coefficient of x is 5. So 5 divided by 5 is x equals positive 5 divided by 5 is 1. So x is equal to 1. Now that we found our x value, all we have to do is substitute our known variable into one of these equations. So I'm going to start with equation number 2. We have y equals 3x. So y equals 3. But instead of x, I'm going to substitute my known variable, which is 1. So 3 times 1 is 3. So y is equal to 3. What if we try with the second equation? So let's go ahead and try it. So we have y equals negative 2. Instead of x, I'm going to put in a 1 plus 5. Well, y equals negative 2 times 1 is negative 2 plus 5. Y is equal to negative 2 plus 5 gives me 3. So if you see, you can substitute into any one of these equations and it should give you the same answer. So my solution for this system of equation is going to be 1, 3. If you have any questions, please let us know.